In this video, I will be explaining the criteria for the Cloning Sprites Challenge. So far in the presentation, you have seen how to incorporate operator and sensing blocks in your project. Here, you'll see how a clone is automatically created every second and its location is randomized. In addition, you'll see here how previous clones are deleted at 5-second intervals so that the stage does not become overly crowded. In addition, the location of sprites that are created when the user clicks on a previous sprite is randomized using the blocks here. And the size and color are also randomized, in that it can become larger, smaller, and the shade of the color, for instance, can be changed. Additionally, here you'll see the different costumes that I have previously uploaded, and also here noting that the costumes are to appear in a random order. So once I click the green flag, you'll see what this looks like. So you can see how the clones are appearing in different colors. I can also click on the clones and they will change size and color. Because I did not use a sprite from the sprite library, it's hard to fully take advantage of the change color block because sometimes the outline of the sprite is accidentally colored, sometimes it's a bit blurry, and it can cover up another sprite. Remember that for this challenge, you will have to incorporate something not directly mentioned in the lesson. This could be, for example, making the sprites disappear once they are clicked on, and you could have a game of sorts where the player would obviously be winning if they have as few as possible sprites on the screen at a given time. In the following video, you will see some gameplay from the actual target practice game so you can get a sense of what this would look like.